Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kevin and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be trying out the brand new Arctic Fox Bleach Please Complete Hair Lightening Kit. So I just received this PR package a couple of days ago and it came at such a perfect time because I need to touch up my roots. I bleached my hair about a little bit more than a month ago, 2 months ago, and my roots are already this long. My hair grows so fast. And to prepare for this process, I did not wash my hair for 2 days. I recommend not washing your hair for a couple of days before you bleach it. And then I usually like to add coconut oil into my hair, which I'm going to skip today because I want to see how this works. The bleach that I usually use is the Ion Color Brilliance Lightener. It's the powder lightener, and this one is a cream one. I've never tried a cream before, so I'm interested to try that. I love how I'm just like starting this video as if I wasn't gone for 8 months and nothing ever happened. I thought about making a whole entire video talking about like where I've been and why I haven't filmed a video in 8 months, but then I realized it just sounded like a whole bunch of excuses, which it was. It just happened. Alright, so here we have the cream bleach and a 35 volume developer. I have never seen a 35 volume developer. I usually mix together a 30 and a 40, about half and half, to make a 35. This is so like random. Why 35? This doesn't really smell like anything. I love the smell of bleach and I was hoping that this would smell like bleach, but it doesn't. Maybe when I mix it. I'm not going to use any measuring cup. I usually just kind of eye it to figure out how much that I need. Alright, so I don't need too much for my short hair, so that's about how much bleach I'm going to use, and now I'm going to mix in the developer. You're supposed to do 1 part bleach and 2 parts developer, and I don't want to spill this everywhere, so I'm not really going to show it. So now I'm just going to mix that together. Alright, so I've been mixing this for a few minutes now and I feel like we have the right consistency. This is definitely a lot harder to mix than the powder bleach that I usually use. It says to mix until there's no lumps, and I kept finding lumps and having to mix it more. I just love that word, lumps. But I feel like this is pretty smooth. The Virgo in me wanted it to be perfectly smooth, but there's still a little bit of lumps, but that's okay. So I just want to wait for a minute to apply the bleach to the back of my head because I needed to do it in my bathroom. But now I'm going to show you guys how I apply it on the sides and how I do my roots as well. And the way that I apply the bleach when I have short hair is I kind of just sweep it on like this in the direction of the hair growth. And then I'll kind of like flick it in to the roots. Does that make sense? Alright, so I just covered the sides in bleach and now I'm going to move on to my roots at the top. So what I'm going to do is just apply that right where my regrowth is at. And this is only about a month and a half of regrowth. It's so crazy how fast my hair grows. Alright, so for the next step it says wait 30 to 45 minutes paying close attention to the condition of your hair while processing. And then it says for step 5, rinse hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, ensuring that all product is washed out. So I'm probably going to leave this in for about another 20 minutes now, and then I'm going to strand test it, and if I feel like it's ready to rinse out, then I am going to do that, and then I will be back to show you guys the final results. Hey guys, so I am back now, and I just rinsed out my hair. I left this in for about 45 to 50 minutes, and I'm going to show you guys the results that we got from that. Okay, so this is what we have going on. I know it doesn't look too good, but I feel like it did a pretty good job at lifting, especially for one bleach application. I wasn't expecting it to go platinum like right away, but this is not it. I'm not done yet because I cannot like be going out like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an overnight hair mask, and then in the morning I am going to do the same steps over again. And I'm not going to show you guys that process because it's basically the same thing I just did, but the next time you see me I will hopefully have platinum blonde hair after one more bleaching. Fingers crossed. Alright, hi everyone. So it's actually been a week since you've seen me in the last clip, and there's been quite a few changes since then. So one of those things being the obvious, I did cut off all of the previously bleached hair. So we're left with only regrowth. So all of the hair that you're seeing on my head right now was dark brown before I started using the Arctic Fox Bleach. Alright, and the other thing is I actually had to go in for a 3rd time with this. I know I said I was going to do the second one and then show you guys the results. So after that second bleaching, I wasn't happy with the amount of lift I got, so I decided to wait it out for a few days and then go in for a 3rd time, and this is the results that we got. I am very happy with this lift. I'm happy with this blonde. It's almost a platinum blonde. And I haven't applied toner yet, so this is just straight after 3 bleachings. I did apply a purple shampoo in the shower, which is probably why it looks a little bit splotchy. If you could see it on camera, I know it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in the mirror here, but it is a lot more purple-ish toned in some areas and then more yellow in others. That's nothing to do with the bleach. It's probably because of my purple shampoo. Alright, and even though I did have to use this product 3 times, on my very short hair, I still do have quite a bit of product left. So I could probably use it for a 4th time if I wanted to, and this only retails for $20. $20 is what I pay for a tub of powder bleach. Alright, so now to my final thoughts on this product. My hair does feel very nice. It doesn't feel very brittle or damaged. It actually feels very soft, which I'm surprised about. I feel like it performed just the same as any of the other bleach I use. It didn't underperform, it didn't overperform. My hair just definitely feels a lot better than when I use the other bleaches. Right, and some of my other favorite things is this is a completely cruelty-free product and it's vegan, and 15% of all the profits go to help preventing animal cruelty. It does say that it does have a violet base, and I did notice quite a bit of a difference. It did help cancel out some of those yellow tones, but it wasn't something super dramatic, so I think that you could go without it, but it is a nice touch. And they also sell Arctic Fox and Sally's. Now, I did look on the Sally Beauty website, and I did not see this on there yet. I know that this product just came out recently, so I'm not sure if they're working on getting it in the stores, but I think the only place that you could buy this right now is online. Okay, so my final thought on the product is I would definitely repurchase it again. I am obsessed with the results I got. I love how healthy my hair feels still. Well, not healthy, but not as damaged as you would think. It feels nice still. If you guys had any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and any information that I forgot I will leave in the description box. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you, Arctic Fox, for sending this over for me to review, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. It feels so great to be back. I have so many exciting videos planned for the next few months, so if you're not already subscribed to me, then please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos, and while you're down there, please leave me a like and maybe a comment if you want to. But if you don't want to, that's okay. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!